Hi, welcome back. I am once again your main host. I am the liquid, spicy, and canned food expert, and I'm so glad to be back. Today, in the program, we're going to compare fish, but it's canned fish. Good guess, but it's tuna fish in a can. Two different brands going toe to toe, and I am really excited to see who's going to come out ahead. First off, in the lineup we have chicken of the sea, chunk, light tuna, and water. And I've always kind of leaned towards chicken of the sea compared to bumblebee and and sun kissed tuna fish. I think that's what it is. It's that real common tuna fish. I don't know. But all of them on the market, though, basically, they're all about equal in as far as taste and the texture. So, but for some reason, though, I just cracked this one open, and as well as the other one here. And first off, here it says it's heart healthy, omega 3. It's a 5-ounce portion, and there is 0.5 grams of fat, which is like barely nothing, and then there's like 25 milligrams, but that's only the serving is a 2-ounce, and then there's 2 servings total, and then there's 50 calories. So there'd be 100 calories total. There's calories of the fat is 5. So it looks like I said, there'd be 100 calories total if you were to consume all of this, the whole can. And the serving size is 2 ounces, and then, of course, so total there'd be 4 ounces though. So, moving along here, it's a little bit high in salt, 250 milligrams sodium, and then 0 sugar, which doesn't surprise me, and then 11 grams of protein, which is a fair amount, and a little iron in here, and so it's interesting though, and I'm gonna go ahead and smell it here. It really reeks of tuna, pure tuna. They probably use pretty high quality grade tuna. And next on the list here is this happens to be Kroger's tuna. It's chunk light tuna, and once again, you check here. It is 5 ounces, the same as the other one, but it seems lighter. It's not as it doesn't seem as heavy, and it does say dolphin safe, but it does not say omega 3 healthy. As far as the oils, it doesn't really stress that on the front of the can. I kind of like the seagull in the background. I don't know if you could see it. And then the blue is kind of nice here. How how it's a blue label, kind of like the blue waters, the blue ocean, gives you that kind of that feeling, puts you in the beach frame of mind, I guess. So here it looks like, as far as the nutrition, it's about the same. This has, though, interestingly enough, it's a little bit higher. It's 30 more milligrams of sodium per serving, but then again, it is 2 servings. And let me also say, this is in water, and the other one's in water. And as far as calories, this one actually packs on an extra 10 or 10 not milligrams, but 10 more calories than the other one. And as far as protein, this one actually has 2 more grams of protein in it. And as far as vitamins and nutrients, it's equal. And the ingredients is light tuna, water, vegetable broth, carrot, celery, peas, and soybean. I don't know why they do that in salt. Out of Thailand, whereas the other one, says it It has more information on the back. It talks about omega-3, which is nice. But it says tuna, vegetable broth, and soy and salt. So it seems as though it's about the same as far as their ingredients. But I want to actually now, I'm going to go ahead and proceed and take it to the next level. I'm going to first, since I introduced the chicken of the sea, I'm going to taste this first. Set my camera here so it's stable. Like I said, it just reeks of tuna throughout the whole thing, and it seems really kind of, the texture is sort of soft and fluffy, and I kind of like that. Go ahead and take a taste here. I like it. It's like soft, and it holds up to its it holds up to to the it holds up to the plate. It just it owns up, and it it stands by what it offers, as far as you look at it, and you could tell it's soft. And sometimes in products, if you notice, it could be deceiving. You can think it's this way, but then it ends up totally the opposite of what you think. Whereas this here, it's just you smell it, you taste it. It smells right off just like tuna, and it's soft. But then you go ahead and actually take a taste of it, and I'm liking it. It's decent. It's pretty decent, and tastes like tuna. I'm pretty satisfied with it. It's just a really good chicken of the sea. It's pretty good. I give this a 3.5 stars. Moving along here, I'm gonna take a taste of this Kroger tuna real quick here. And right away I noticed that right off the bat, get this metal shaving out of there. It's not good. I'm gonna crack these open. It's definitely a lot drier, and it's a way drier, and it's not as fine. It's not as grounded up as much. It's like, see, as you can tell, it's a lot chunkier, drier, and it smells more processed. It doesn't smell like tuna, and there's more darker areas in it and stuff, and it's just really dry. The texture it's not consistent like the other one. It's just way drier, and it seems like some of the liquid's on the bottom. But go ahead and take a taste here. Okay, folks. One thing I noticed is it's way chewier. It tastes like there's more chemicals in it or something. It's hard to explain. It's just way different. The consistency is just way different. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Anyways, let me take a taste of this real quick and compare it here. I give this a 2-star. It's alright if you want a quick fix, like a meal, like tuna, go ahead. If you like fish like me, do it. But I recommend the chicken of the sea, way above the Kroger brand. It's the same weight, same this, same that. Very minute differences, but thank you once again for joining me, and this was another really interesting episode, and I am your canned, spicy, and liquid expert. And be sure to join me again for the next episode. Thanks again for joining me. Later.